Hello students, in this video we will discuss about statistics or statics. This is the chapter of class 9th Maths and Science. What is the statistics? Statistics is very important topic of the mathematics. Statistics is nothing but this is a branch of mathematics in which we study about past data, present data and also future data. That means with the help of statistics we can predict about the future. Now we will discuss how to predict about the future. When you see the live match on your screen, TV screen, then you can see easily there are many graphs represent on the screen of TV to performance of any player, and with the help of that graphs express that what was the performance of that particular team or particular player in the before matches or in the present matches. And with the help of that graph, this is also express that if any player make the run with respect the present run rate, then how many runs can make after some overs or end of the match. This is the prediction about future. So this is very important chapter or important topic in the mathematics, statistics. Now in the statistics we will study about central tendency. What is the central tendency? Central tendency is nothing but this is a branch of statistics in which we will study about mean, median and mode. Means central tendency is nothing, it is branch of statistics in which we studied about mean, median and the mode. What is the mean, median and mode? What is the mean, median and mode? Before the explaining mean, median and mode, we will discuss about some terminology related to statistics, like data, class intervals, or graphical representation of the given data. These type are some terminology related to this topic. Now we will discuss here first data. What is the data? Data is the figures, that means number taken from any particular areas of particular field are related to any particular things. Suppose if you want to know what is the population of India, what is the population of America, this is known as data. Or what is the population, or what is the number of how many number of schools in particular district or in particular state or in particular country. This is the data. That means data is nothing but this is the number. This is the number, and this type of number is known as data. there are many type of data. First type data is known as primary data. Primary data. What is the primary data? If any data collected by investigator and that data used in any particular purpose, for particular purpose, then this type of data is known as primary data. And second type of data is secondary data. Secondary data. Secondary data is nothing but this type of data collected by any other person and used by any another person. This type of data is known as secondary data. There are many data we use for our purpose, and all data is known as secondary data. If we search any data on our mobile or internet, then this data is known as secondary data because that data not collected by me. Third is raw data. Raw data, or this is also known as original data. Original data. That means original form of any data, original form of any collected data is known as raw data or original data. And fourth is grouped data. Grouped data. If we arrange in any systematic form of the raw data is known as group data. Now in the next video we will discuss about next topic related to statistics.